And how can we use animation in a different way? We're going to talk all week about animation in our video. We would like to have animation in the video. In order to have an A, green screen effect, animation. This is one tool that'll help you. There's an app called Puppet Pals. It's kind of elementary, but it's really neat. Basically, I'm going to hit play. I'm going to give a slew of options. I might want to go with, let's see, I don't know. That's kind of an old street, kind of looks like, and I can go through the different scenes. Let's say I created a scene with an individual, such as Benjamin Franklin, and I put Benjamin Franklin in my puppet pile. Okay, kind of big. I don't know how to. Might just want to scale them back here. And let's say if I wanted to do like a Bill and Ted's Awesome Adventure, I'm gonna put myself in. Okay, I'm gonna take a new picture, I guess, just to show you how to take a picture. I'm gonna hit take a picture. I'm gonna try not to. Try to think a word. All right, not terrible. Okay, but there's that. It says trace head, and what you'll do is you'll just go around the head. Just forget about the ear, I guess. Get rid of the double chin there, and go with that. Now it looks a little better. Now it says draw a mouth. I think that'll work.
That's
I need to draw a mouth again. Alright, Joe. Okay. So, now that I have that, I find my clothes that I might want to wear, and maybe the time period. Alright, let's just say I'm going to do, that looks like an older style. Alright, and then I put my character in there. Okay, and then let's say I put Benjamin Franklin by this light pole, and then I put myself over here. And then I went here and I recorded. Hi, my name is Mr. Bedingfield, and I am going to show you a conversation with Benjamin Franklin. And I walk over here. This is colonial England. I'm walking backwards, talking to Benjamin Franklin, excuse me. In Mr. Sturzinger's class, I learned that Benjamin Franklin was one of our founding fathers. Well, thank you, Mr. Bedingfield. Mr. Sturzinger taught you probably about my electricity and so on and so forth. Now, I'm doing a bad example of what you could do because I don't know all your key concepts that you're going to talk about learning, but when you're done, you hit stop. And you probably don't want to do it for like less than a minute. It's not like you're going to do a 20-minute video. All right, you're going to do it less than a minute. And then I'm going to hit the check mark. And then I'm going to put Ben. I'm going to hit save. Okay. And then what's going to happen is I'm going to go back to my locations, my main menu, my save buttons, and then I'm going to hit this share button. And it says grown-ups only. Well, everybody should be able to get this. You just type in the code, it's red. And then you're just going to do normal. And then it'll encode the video and go through that. I really think you should limit it to less than a minute, and it's probably going to take a little practice. You don't have to use your computer. You can just grab an iPad and go and work on it, or work on it at your seat, and set up your locations, your characters and everything, and put your animation in if you're ready for it. And then what you'll do is hopefully you can get it off the iPad by doing what I'm going to show you. I'm going to hit mail, and then I'm just going to put my email address in there because I think it should be less than like the 20 megabytes or whatever. And I'm going to hit send, I'm not going to have a subject. We'll see if it goes through. It says export complete. Okay. Okay. And I hit download. Okay. Once I have my movie there, so I'll make sure it's on my desktop so you can find it. When I add my media, it's like bin. I should be able to make this full screen if I want to. I could put my learning concepts at the bottom. You know, if I wanted to put the text, add text, put it at the bottom. Alright. If I wanted to make it look normal, I probably should stretch it out. Okay, as much as I can. But let's just see how this works. Oh, wait a minute. I got tunes up here or something. Yeah, let me take that off.
Hi, my name
So
is
we're going to talk a little
Mr.
bit
Bankfield, and I am going to show you.
photo collages. Okay, I got the other stuff in there mixed. So it's not really well
A
cut.
conversation. Well, thank you,
Fast image.
Mr. Bankfield.
So you got the puppets playing there. Alright. Is it the coolest thing in the world? Probably not. But it does add a little bit to your video. It adds a little interest. And it shows that you understand different concepts of that. Plus, your focus is still learning. Alright? You're still basically creating a story, a quick story, about what you learned in someone's class. Instead of just writing bullets, you're creating. And being creative is very important.